And so as the season changes, playoffs are on the horizon. Preparations are a bit more thorough, the chants are louder, and every point that is scored is worth more. Kincoid Campus Rugby 1 is not our stadium. This is our home, offering its protection, its shelter, but always a different challenge. The challenge this time? Exeter. 3rd v 4th, playoff decider. The stage is set for the chosen few who choose to stand and fight. The crowds? No. This is our family. They don't watch it, they feel it. The jerseys? It's our skin. And after every hit and tackle, each player knows they'll suffer. But the reward is much greater because you'll always be an archer.